Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the last day of Craft for the Curve. I wanted to share a video that was supposed to go live a few weeks from now, but I moved it to now so that you guys can see it and easily craft for the curve. So we've been doing this for 15 days. We've been crafting with you guys, and me and a bunch of other YouTubers have joined this challenge, and we also have joined with a bunch of craft suppliers that are giving away something awesome to somebody who is crafting for the curve. So all you have to do is post a project inspired by any of my 15 videos, any of the other YouTubers' 15 videos, which you guys can find in the description, and we will be picking a winner for one of you guys to win some really awesome prizes. All you have to do is hashtag craft for the curve to be entered. And we'll be looking at those, and it's going to be super fun for us to see all your projects that you guys have done. But wait, there's more. Once this series is done, I've moved some of my really long-awaited videos to tomorrow, the next day, the next day, and the next day, so that you guys can get some really fun videos that you guys have been asking me to do, like the Scrapbox review, my studio tour, stuff like that. But then I'm going to be vlogging every single day and sharing our quarantined life with you guys, some behind the scenes of some series I might be working on, how I run my business, how I do all the things. So I hope you guys join for that. If you want to, go ahead. If you're kind of bummed that I'm not going to be posting tutorials for a while, I'm sorry, but it's something that I need to do for myself, and I'm really excited about this journey, actually. So I ain't letting nothing bring me down on that, okay? So let's get going on Craft for the Curve. I've fully enjoyed this challenge. It has actually been very challenging to craft and film and edit and get a video. That's why for the last 3 videos, I've chosen to take videos that my editor did and we stockpiled. So enjoy them, and I will see you guys tomorrow with the next video. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a Walt Disney Wednesday, which I'm super excited about because we're using my bling, which I've been using a lot, guys, I know, but we have 40 colors launching on the website, plus the bling tool. So if you've been watching the tutorials and you're like, when is that bling tool coming out? It is available with our 40 colors in multi-sizes. Our bling is Swarovski comparable with the price of not Swarovski, okay? So for the general human beings out there, the middle craft class, what did you guys call yourself? The middle class crafters out there who just want to have the same sparkle love as everybody else, we got you. We got you, boo. The Antite bling is comparable in sparkle, not the price, all right? I seriously feel like I'm on an infomercial sometimes when I'm promoting my products because I always try to go for the cheaper route, but the same quality. So with that, we are highlighting our Naked crystal today, which is our #1 crystal on the market. So what did we do? We launched it in like 10 different sizes. Not only can you get it in the multi-size pack, but you can now get it all the way down from SS3 all the way up to SS20. And every single pack of those comes with 1,400 crystals, okay? At a way better price than Swarovski. Our Naked AB crystal, the cool thing about it is it has a clear back, which means that it will pick up a color from behind it and kind of take on that color. This is called Enchanted. I named it Enchanted because it's literally enchanted. As soon as you put it on something, it becomes magical and it comes different color. You're gonna see me use it in a lot of tutorials just to show you. You put it on pink, it turns pink. You put it on black, kind of turns like this bluish, really cool color. So today, what are we making? We're making Mickey earrings. I'll show you a close-up shot on the B-roll because that's gonna be weird if I'm talking to you that close. Anyways, so I've got 3 different colors. I bought them in the pack. They actually come in a pack on Amazon in silver, rose gold, and black. So I thought it only takes 6 crystals to create a pair of earrings. And you can do 1 pack with the same color crystals, the multi-size crystal pack that we have. And literally get 3 different earrings. What a fun gift. What a fun way to spruce up the Mickey earrings. What a fun, beautiful thing. If you guys see, I always have a pair of blingy earrings in my ears. It's like my one piece of jewelry and my Apple Watch. Those are the 2 things that I'm always wearing. So you can bet your bottom dollar I'm gonna be having these bad boys in my ears, matching different colors. So I'm just gonna show you, super easy tutorial, guys. Literally just highlighting the Enchanted and what it does in this video. But again, these are licensed Disney products that you can spruce up and sell. I encourage these for gifts though, any day. If you've got a little girl in your life or a mom in your life or a friend in your life that loves Disney, buy a pack of these and gift them and DIY them up and gift them. I am super sensitive to all metals. I can only have stainless steel or actual gold in my ear. And no, I'm super bougie, but stainless steel is pretty inexpensive. So I always have to make sure not only do my stainless steel earrings have stainless steel posts, but also backs. Anyway, so my body does not like fake metals. So I have to be wary of that. So let's get going, and I want you to see this enchanted magic right here with our enchanted bling. Get it on shopentity.com. If you're a member, you get 20% off. So why aren't you a member yet? Let's go. Alright guys, so I bought the Disney earrings on Amazon and they come in a pack of 3. You can also buy the individual colors as well, but I loved that it came with 3 different colors so I can show you how enchanted our actual enchanted stone is. So I'm going to use the black, the rose gold, and the silver, and this project, so easy, so fast, so simple, but so cute. And for your Disney loving kids, or in my case adults, I wear these all the time. Like I literally have the black ones in my ears still as I am recording this voiceover. Okay, so I'm just gonna undo my top of my E6000, and remember the key with E6000 is always put the cap back on when you're not using it because it will dry out. And then I'm gonna use the anti-tape bling tool just to pick up 3 different sizes. I'm using the largest size stone and then somewhere in the middle, not the smallest size stone, because our multi-packs come with 1,400 stones and they're in all different sizes. So the smallest stone would probably be too small, but I'm using this one, which I think is like an SS8. And so all you need is 3 stones and you are good to go. I'm going to use the other side of my bling tool to push them down firmly against the metal, and that will just kind of even out the glue underneath them and make sure that they are good to go. And I really wish I could show you how great these things bling, but again, cameras do not do them justice. And now you can see how the enchanted looks different on the black stone versus the rose gold stone versus the silver stone. And that's because our enchanted stone is naked, meaning it doesn't have a back. And so it picks up the color that you lay it on, which is absolutely stunning. And you can do so many different things with this stone.